Take 4.
Hey guys, Mrs. PIB and I are going to an individual's property to look at some trucks that he has on it that I've never been here before. So this will be new to me, but he said he's got several trucks. Told us to wear our rubber boots because it's really muddy. Down there we've had a lot of rain. So I'm trying to find his house. We're going to look and see what kind of trucks he's got. I've heard he's got 67 through 72s, Chevy C10 trucks, and some square bodies. So we're going to go check it out and see what we can come up with. So hang on. What? It's fine. Well, okay. Hey guys, I'm here. We're here. This is no square body wreck or Silverado. Let's look at it. There's the factory marks on the firewall. This one's been sitting for quite a while. It's a Silverado 30. Huh? What? This one's got tilt and a SS 4-bar steering wheel. He said we could look around, and I'm not going to bother anything or touch anything till I ask permission. Some things the gentleman will sell, some things he doesn't want to sell, so I've got to be really careful. Hey, look at that good looking grill, Mrs. PIB. This is my first time here, if I didn't tell you that already.
Let me have that camera on your shirt. Lift your foot up.
Huh?
Lift your foot up.
Like a horse?
Yeah. We've been here 2 seconds. Here. You got mud that thick all around there.
Oh, always making fun of me. Anyway, well, I can't. Man, I like that steering wheel. That looks like an Oldsmobile steering wheel. Man, I like that. Oh. I might have to buy a few parts from this gentleman. Yeah, there's another square body. Man, he's got them. Not all square bodies, but quite a few. Here's one here. It's got. I'm going to have to hurry this along. Oh my goodness, my feet feel like they weigh 50 pounds apiece. What's yours look like? How come you don't have nothing? I guess well, I figured you'd say it's because I weigh more than you. Boy, he's got a lot of good parts. There's some Cutlass taillight lens. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Yeah, I'm glad he told us to wear rubber boots too. Boy, this is still got snow on the ground back here. You want to stay there and I'll be right back? I thought you might say that. That's a good idea. Oh, trying not to slip and slide, y'all. Oh, and I just slid. Hope this is not a boring video for y'all, but this snow is starting to melt and it's extremely muddy, and I sure don't want to fall down and hurt myself. Oh, I'm glad I drove that little S10 Ranger, not my wife's car. I'm gonna try to show y'all, not show y'all the mud, because I know that's pretty boring. I'm trying to get down here. That's got some good bumper guards on it. This is one I was wanting to look at, this little custom deluxe. It reminds me, this hood reminds me of old Dookie. Boy, I'm gonna have to pull my shoes off and then throw them in the back of the truck when I get back to the S10 Ranger. That's a pretty color, isn't it? White and brown. Oh, this is GMC steering wheel. There's another GMC, then it says Scottsdale, so I don't know. I'm already here. It's a short bed. Typical rust issues on the bed. See what kind of tailgate it's got. Chevrolet tailgate that's eat up. This one's been picked over, so there's not too much here. It does have those little pieces that every time I get a vehicle or a truck, I mean, they seem to want to come off. There's a good piece right there, I think. Let's get back up here and look at some more because I'm getting long-winded. I'll pause when I get up here. Okay, I made it back to the top of this to a flat spot, I'll say. This is pretty interesting. I've never been here before. Hey, there's one of those, well, this is a square body too, isn't it? That's not a bad looking seat. It's been redone. It says a Heartbeat of America. It's not a bad looking seat. I have to remember that. Also, seen this right here. I guess this was a camping special, a little TP-like thing. That's what I call it. Trying to show y'all things that I can't see, so. A lot of square body stuff here. Oh my. Oh, sticker bush, sorry. We'll look at this together and walk very slowly because you might accidentally walk by something and not see it. There's a square body there. I believe it is. Oh, I don't know if I want to get all down in there to it or not. There's so many to look at. I think I'll just pass on that one and look at the ones that are right here, kind of close to me. There's several of them. There's no Monte Carlo. There's a square body down there, I think. Another square body, 80s something model. Trying to walk without tripping. Good breather. I'm going to remember this place. Looks like an old Trans Am, it is. I'll walk down through here just a little bit. I don't know how far this goes. There's no four-wheel drive Chevy truck. I think I said this before, but you know, I was talking about sometimes you strike out and then sometimes you strike gold. Well, I think I might have struck gold. Okay, I'm down here. Here's one of those hoods. It's famous for buckling right there. Yep, I'm going to say that's, boy, I sure do like that emblem right there. I like that emblem. Here's one with the aftermarket grill in it. Boy, sure is a lot of things in here, Mrs. PIB, I'd like to have. Imagine that. Hey, there's a really nice seat over, let's see, where's that seat at? There was a really nice gray seat over there, not a rip or nothing in it. Let's look, we're already this far. Might as well look and see what else. Man, every time I think I've reached the end, there's more. Hey, there's a square body with a bumper guards. This is junkyard season. Oh boy, look at this. What is this? 71 or 2 C10. There's a blue one. There's a cab of one. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah. Somebody's put bucket seats in this one. It's kind of stripped out, but the doors don't look too bad. Yeah, emblem looks good. That's a custom. I'm going to say that's a 68 or. I like that color scheme. It reminds me of Big Turd. Continuing on. Hey, there's a GMC. I'm showing this too for GM 1038 because he's working on a 71 four-wheel drive truck. He couldn't come today because he had to work. Chevy van. Scottsdale. Even though I said there's no snakes out, it is getting up to about 50 degrees and I'm still nervous about snakes. Because he told me I was going to come out down here this past fall, and I said, I've never been here, of course, and I said, is it pretty snaky? And he said, yeah, there's some snakes down in here. I kind of believe him. I don't know what this one is. It don't have no markings on the fender. Right here, you know, so I don't really know what it is, but let's look. Let's hope there ain't no creatures come out after me. Nothing I really need. Nope. Not at this point. There are a few things in my mind I'd like to try to ask him about if he wants to sell them, but I told him I would ask first before I do anything. I didn't even bring any tools with me. They're in the, what little I got's in the S10. There's a square body, there's a square. Gosh, every time I think we're done, there's more. Oh yeah, utility bed truck. Well, they've been here a long time. Look how long these trees have been here and grown up around it. That's a Silverado 4 headlight. Another 4-wheel drive, another 71 or 2. I don't know how you can get back into it. Anyway, I'm just going to get a real quick look-see. I don't know if he had plans of going somewhere or not.
You see that one with the camper?
Yeah, I went down there to it. Pretty neat, huh? Let's see if we can ease up toward this way. I don't know how big this place is. I don't know the easiest way to get up here either. Let's see. I think I'm going to try this way. It looks a little drier because the land is kind of pointing downward. I don't mean to make the video so long, so I'm going to pause it here. Okay, guys, there's 2 utility bed trucks. I only seen one, so I walked behind back here. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of sticker bushes. So I got these big old 50-pound boots on thanks to all this mud. So I'm gonna try to ease over here. Boy, these things have been here a long time. Long time. I was just going to see what was in this one. This 71 or 72. Not too much. Let's see what's in this one since I'm here. try not to get poked in the eye by limbs, and I'm hoping something don't come flying out at me. It might be living in here. It's not a bad dash, is it? The dash pad, I mean. This must be like a 75 or something, because this reminds me of my 75 C10 Sky. Looks like. Okay, let me get out of this, man. Thought I'd show you this old Chevy school bus. I'm assuming it's a 4950-51 from the front end. That's an old school bus. I was trying to read the writing on it, but it says school, something county. Anyway, continuing on. A couple of Chevy vans here.
Oh, look at the little heart window.
Yeah, ain't that neat? Got the roof rack. Tim Dixon at Gas Axe Chop Shop would, I'm sure, like this one. It's got some custom upholstery in it. There's one of them little details. I was wanting to look at this little Trans Am. Oh, sorry y'all, I'm tripping on weeds and such. Still got the Trans Am steering wheel on it. Of course, it's red, but that don't matter. I haven't seen one of these in the junkyard in a long, long time. I like that shaker on the hood there. It won't shut no better. It's upper guards on that one. Okay. That looks like that old forestry truck we had. Hey, look at that GMC with the chrome grille. Oh my goodness. Well, it's dinged up right there pretty bad. Dadgummit. There's another square body. See what I mean? Just when I think I'm done, there's more. That's got a 292 in it. What if that motor's still in it? Well, I can't tell. The radiator's in the way. See, here's another square body I didn't know. Just when I think this is where, I think this is square body heaven right here. There's another one. I think that's a Ford right there, Ford cab. Another square bodies. Well, that must be GMC. It says Sierra Classic. I'm assuming that's a GMC. I don't think I'd want to come in here during the summertime. Well, you could pay me, but I'd have to wear some, what do you call them, chaps or whatever, to keep from getting snake bit. Because I'd say there's some in here. Oh, I was going to look at that. Oh, this looks like that forestry truck we used to have. I was just going to check it out. 67 or 8. We had a truck just same color. Yeah, ain't this neat? Boy, it's been here a long time. I can't even get up here to it. Sorry, I don't mean to bore y'all. Bed's off of it. It might have been boring a long bed, but anyway, we had one just like it. Kinda. There's another square body. If you look for just a second, there's another square body. Huh, size does matter, according to that windshield. We'll go check it out. It might be a little easier. I'm telling you, my feet weigh probably 50 pounds apiece. There's no Ford truck. Yeah, I don't think there's too much to it. Well, we'll go around this way. Hanging onto this truck so I don't slip. I'm trying to hold my camera up so I'm not so dang boring in my videos. Yeah, there's a white one. Hey, I wonder if I can't think of anything just now. Let's look. It kills me not to look. If I can get in here without tripping. These vines like to hang onto your feet. Oh gosh, stupid sticker bush. Yeah, you should be videoing me. Amy and John, see on the dash? Silverado truck, Amy and John. Well, guess Amy and John gave it up. Oh my goodness, I'm trying to. There's a Suburban. Oh gosh, stupid sticker bush. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of bed liners. Is there any more? I don't know which way to. I'm going to go this way. This is the quickest way. There's a little narrow path right through here. Another square body. You okay?
How are you doing that without getting your arms all cut up?
I am getting them cut up. That's how I'm doing it. I'm just not trying not to whine about it so nobody thinks I'm a weenie. Okay.
Excuse me. Uh-oh, swamp. You got rubber boots on, just walk through it.
Go ahead, you might sink to the bottom. Don't see too many fire birds. You got good. It's easy to call them a Trans Am, but the Firebirds have those particular hoods on. Let's look at this square body over here. Oh, pause it for a minute.
Do you need to go anywhere? I'm thinking we should have got newspapers and laid down the truck.
There's a square body there. He's not selling nothing off this truck. I think he's selling it as a whole. How much did you say this was?
What's that?
Yes. $4,000 for this Chevy truck. 4.3.
Automatic floor.
Man, this is nice.
Be a straight shift.
Yeah.
Brother-in-law, he had it and he passed away. And I bought it.
Boy,
Good old truck.
good looking truck.
Needs to be painted again. I've got the sticker of that thing when it cost you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
My buddy just told me he's wanting $4,000 for that Chevy truck. It's 4.3 automatic. In the floor. There's the van I was wanting to show Tim Dixon at Gas X Chop Shop. Boy, got a lot of good stuff here. Anyway, I'll end this video here. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you enjoyed the Junkyard videos. This is Junkyard season. Can't really do this kind of stuff in the summer, obviously, without getting snake bit or step on a yellow jacket nest or whatever. So ticks and chiggers and whew, sound like that Dorothy from Wizard of Oz. Ticks and wizards, or chiggers and ticks, woo, or whatever she says. Anyway, I got sidetracked. Okay, y'all have a great day. God bless each and every one of y'all. Please like and subscribe, share my videos. I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see y'all later.